I'm Nora Pope, naturopathic physician. We are doctors of natural medicine and we teach prevention in our patients so you can feel better. Why am I doing these videos? I want to introduce naturopathic medicine in your life so you can get relief and feel better using natural medicine. Some of the areas I focus on in my practice are boosting up your immune system, especially so you don't get allergies come back year after year, which are so uncomfortable. Improving digestion so you have more energy. Protecting your adrenal glands and your liver so you can fight off infections more easily. Another part of my practice is enhancing fertility so couples can conceive naturally without the use of relatively invasive techniques. Another area is epilepsy. I help people reduce seizures so they can lead happier lives. I want to get you excited about naturopathic medicine, and some of the things I use are vitamins, minerals, healthy diet, wonderful global herbs, and acupuncture. And I'm excited, and I see a naturopath too. So I'm going to share what I learn with you so you can feel better.